Think solar panels are just for eco-warriors? Think again. They're the ultimate home upgrade. In today's competitive housing market, savvy homeowners are cashing in on a powerful secret solar panels. Picture this. You're selling your home in New Jersey, and solar-equipped houses there are selling for up to 16% more. That's an extra 48 grand on a $300,000 home. But it's not just New Jersey. From sun-soaked Arizona to coastal Massachusetts, solar panels are transforming property values across America. In California, where energy costs are sky-high, solar homes are selling 40% faster. Young professionals and families are specifically searching for energy-efficient homes ready to pay premium prices for lower utility bills. Connecticut homeowners are saving an average of $1,500 annually, while Maryland property values climb by 14%. In Hawaii, solar homes are the new gold standard, commanding top dollar. Don't wait for that next hefty energy bill. Visit dontrentpower.com today and discover how solar panels can boost your home's value and slash your expenses. Because in today's market, going solar isn't just an upgrade, it's an investment in your future.